Welcome to another video, and it's Saturday the 2nd of March 2024. The sun's out, still a little bit on the chilly side, and I know you guys are loving these self-flying drone videos. Today I've chosen the Potteries loop line here at Kidsgrove. Come and join me. So let's see how far we can get walking along the beautiful Potteries loop line. Hard to imagine that all them years ago there would be trains coming through this area and serving obviously Kidsgrove. Absolutely amazing when you look at the walls all still up here. I'm guessing there probably would be maybe one train line or two. Not too sure, let me know in the comments. So it's a little bit on the breezy side today, and the Hover X1 drone is, I can hear it struggling a little bit. So I'm guessing the battery's probably not going to last quite as long. But as you can see, doing an absolute wonderful job following us again. I haven't been along the loop line for quite a few months, but it is an absolute beautiful walk. So we've got the stream over here. I wonder where the stream actually comes from. Anyone in the comments can let me know, because it heads all the way up to Stonebank and it's constantly running. So I'm guessing it's probably mostly, is it rainwater? Not too sure. So right ahead of me now, you can see the first of the tunnels, and that tunnel is Stonebank Road that way. So Kidsgrove Bank is right to our right here. I hope you're enjoying all the wonderful videos we're bringing to you and the documentaries. So we've done the murders, the folklore, the rise and fall of public houses, pit disasters last week was awesome, and tomorrow pubs part 2. Get ready for that one. Okay, the wind's gone down a little bit now. Might try a little bit of dolly track. Okay, so this is dolly track, and pretty much as long as I walk right towards the drone, it does an absolute awesome job. But it does wander off a little bit, as you can see there. But it is correcting it. So maybe if I walk a little bit slower, dolly track is absolutely awesome. But obviously if it does lose me, it will circle back around me. But it's doing a pretty good job keeping me in the picture so far. I absolutely love walking up the Potteries loop line. And my favourite part is right here now. I'm going to take it off dolly track. Okay, so we're back on follow mode, and one of my most favourite parts is right here. And just look how spectacular it is with the water. It does look pretty awesome. Now the drone doesn't do really well over water, so I'm not really going to go up there, I don't think. I wanted to land in the water there. So let's just head up to the tunnel. And I think that will be a pretty good walk with the Hover X1 drone. Let me know in the comments what you think about the Hover X1. It's definitely a game changer when you've got really a self-flying cameraman heading behind us. At the end of the month, we're heading to Los Angeles, Sydney and Brisbane. And we're going to take this little guy along for some spectacular footage. And the wind's getting up a little bit, so it's done pretty good with regards to the battery. Getting there so far. And there we go. So I'm going to end the video here. Hope you've enjoyed this short walk along the Potteries loop line to the main tunnel here. And again, you can't think that all them old trains used to come through here. And wow, absolutely awesome. So again, if you've enjoyed the short video using the Hover X1 drone, give me a thumbs up, drop me some comments, subscribe to the channel. See you on the next adventure. Make sure you watch Rise and Fall of Public Houses Part 2 tomorrow. Going to be awesome. See you guys soon.